Hello, I hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to take you through a room tour and a hotel tour. This is Garden Court in Polokwane, in Limpopo, in South Africa. So without wasting any time, let's get on it. So I'm going to show you the room, going to show you the gym, the place that is at, and so on. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you the restaurant though, because I think it's still closed. Because yeah, it's going to open in the next few hours. Let's hope you will see that as well. Now let's start with this room. This is the bedroom, right? I think this is one of the standard rooms. I'm not sure if all the rooms are like this, but we have two double beds over here. So this is the first bed. You only get one blanket, but I don't know, maybe if you're booking for two people, you will get two blankets. You have a lamp over here, you have a lamp over there. You have your second bed, you choose which one you want. You have a cell phone for room service and everything that you need. You have a remote control for the television. I don't think it's a smart TV though, And then you have your notebook. Then on this side, you have your television, and then you have your workstation, and then you have this big mirror that is facing you. So you also have this mirror there. I don't know if it's called dressing mirror or what it is, your workstation. Then over here, you have your essentials. 2 cups for coffee, you have your 5 roses and the coffee. You have milk, and then you have this kettle for water. Then you have this stand-up lamp. I'm just coming up with this name. I don't know if that is what it's called. And then over there, you have your air conditioner. And this is ground floor, so you have a door here that is leading you outside. I'm gonna check that out in a minute. So yeah, this is how the standard room looks like. Now before we go outside, let me show you the bathroom. Before we go to the bathroom, I almost forgot. You have your wardrobe over here. Very simple and it's quite nice. I don't want to lie, for your small apartment. But as I said, I think this is a standard room. There is not a lot of things going on. You only have this art on the wall, nothing else. Now let's go to the bathroom. So over here is the door to the bathroom. You can lock it if you're inside. And this is your small and cozy bathroom. Come in. Just when you come in, this is your small and cozy bathroom, okay? Nothing fancy. You have this mirror, You have 2 glasses for water. You have tissues. You have your mini bar soap over there. You have your basin, You have your small dustbin. You have your toilet. And then you have a bathtub that is also a shower at the same time. You have your towels. You have all the essentials that you need for the bathroom. However, I don't like this setup. I prefer it's a shower or a bathtub, not the combination of both. So that is it for this. Now let's go outside and see what is after that sliding door. Is it a sliding door? No, it's not a sliding door. It's a glass door. So now we go out. So you open this door over here. Oh, stop. So this is what you see when you're outside, This is your space basically. Then this is the rest of the hotel. And also this place is only ground floor and first floor, So if you're at the first floor, you will have a balcony. Just like that one, but I didn't have an opportunity to go up there, Then, yeah, so this is it. You just have nature out here. So those are other rooms. Now let's go outside from the parking lot, to the reception area. Not sure about the restaurant, as I said, it's still closed. So now let's go to the reception area. No, to the parking lot. Okay, now I'm at the parking lot. Okay, so this is what you see when you're at the parking lot. This is your Polokwane CBD. This is the central business district. Okay, and then over there you have your Polokwane or Garden Court Polokwane, you know. And then this is the building here. This is the entire hotel and the parking lot. So now let's go in and see the reception area. There's also a gym, you know, and other places. And then it will be the end of this video. This is what is called POPIA Act or Personal Protection Act, you know. So there are people at the reception, you know. I cannot just film, you know. So you might not see that, but this is like as far as I could show you, you know. I'm just going to show you every place that I can, you know, and you should understand. I'm sorry if I cannot show you other places, you know. This is the parking lot from this angle and from this side. We have beautiful plants over here, you know, and we have beautiful trees. Now, okay, I can also show you this side of the restaurant, La Palema. And then these are the rooms. So this is the room that I just showed you, room 156. This is the gym area. Unfortunately, this is the only thing that I can show you for now.